Hi, my name is Andy Fox and I'm the VP of Sales for iValu8. Before I get started, let me tell you a little bit about iValu8. We are a cloud-based platform for building mobile and social media marketing campaigns quickly and easily. We provide you with over 100 different types of marketing campaign templates that you can choose from and easily customize, resulting in a fun and compelling campaign experience targeted at your business customers. Now today I'm going to use the iValu8 platform to build a loyalty card campaign for a national coffee chain. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my iValu8 account. Now once I log into my account, I'm taken to a dashboard, and this dashboard provides me real-time information on the various marketing and loyalty campaigns that I'm running. It provides me information such as how many users have registered for my campaigns, how many folks are active on my campaigns, customer profile information, information on rewards, and a variety of other types of data. We haven't really run many campaigns from this account, so there's not a lot of data here. So let's go ahead and actually create our loyalty card campaign. Now, in order to create our loyalty card campaign, I'm going to click on the Loyalty Plus tab at the top of the screen. And you can see it brings up a drop-down menu, and in order for me to create my campaign, I'm going to select this option, Manage Loyalty Cards. Now selecting that option brings me to this loyalty card creation form, and you'll see that there's probably a dozen or so different checkboxes and fields that I have to fill out in order to create my loyalty card campaign. All in all, shouldn't take me more than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and start filling out these various fields. So first I'm going to give my loyalty card a title. And I'm also going to create my offer. And this actually will appear on the card itself when the user accesses the campaign. Now, iValu8 loyalty cards are very similar to punch cards, and the next option allows me to choose how many punches appear on the card. And so I could have a different number of punches depending on the offer. In this case, it's 10 punches because the consumer has to get 10 punches in order to get their free coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and select 10. Now, every punch request that the consumer makes from their loyalty card campaign has to be validated by the merchant. And this next option determines how much time the merchant has in order to validate that inbound request. And you can see we could set it anywhere from 30 seconds to 24 hours. And again, it depends on the specifics of the campaign, but let's select 1 minute. That means the merchant has 1 minute to validate that punch request after the consumer has made it. Now, one really cool feature about iValu8 loyalty card campaigns are the fact that they can be branded to the merchant's look and feel. And these next two fields here allow me to do that. I'm going to upload a logo and a punch image, and those will actually appear on the loyalty card. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can see I've uploaded both a logo and a punch image. And again, these will appear on the loyalty card campaign as the consumer is taking it, reflecting the merchant's brand. So we're now about halfway through the creation process. Let's scroll down a bit. And this next feature is actually a very unique feature for iValu8 loyalty card campaigns, and that's the ability to make them geo-enabled. And what that means is that these loyalty card campaigns that we're creating can be linked to a specific location, and the campaign can only be used in that location, like for example, a store. So in order to enable it for a specific store or a group of stores, I select this checkbox here, and you can see another field appears and actually prompts me with a couple different locations. So I'm going to make this particular loyalty card campaign available for the Chapel Hill location. So I'm going to select that. If I wanted to go ahead and make it for both Chapel Hill and Seattle, I would just select both boxes. But for the purposes of this demo, we'll just make it available for Chapel Hill. Now, another very unique feature for Evaluate Loyalty Card campaigns is the ability to link or push a campaign down to the card. So if a consumer is actually using the loyalty card, you can actually push them like an instant offer. And you can see through this list there's a number of different campaigns. The one that's relevant here is this one, the Cafe Coffee Instant Reward Coupon. So I'm going to link that campaign to the card, and when we actually demonstrate the specific offer, you'll see that campaign appear. Another very unique feature for Evaluate Loyalty Card campaigns is the ability to include customer feedback forms on the card itself. And this would provide the merchant with real-time customer feedback information that the customer would fill out. So let's go ahead and enable that. And by enabling that, it's going to give me a choice of different types of feedback questions to ask. I want to find out how likely customers are to recommend my service to a friend, so I'm going to select that. And I can also include a free text comment field in addition, so consumers can just provide some free text comment on their experience. So we'll enable that. Again, when we show the actual demo of the card on the phone, you'll see how consumers can access the customer feedback form. It's a very unique feature. Now we can also enable some user incentives here by selecting these boxes, and these will provide free punches to consumers when they join a merchant's loyalty card campaign, or when they fill out some customer profile information or provide some user feedback. So it's a great way to get consumers starting to use the campaign. Now this last section has to deal with enabling access to your loyalty card campaign through text messaging. And this would allow consumers to text a keyword to a specific short code and enable the card to actually appear on the phone. And this requires getting some information from an Evaluate representative. But let's go ahead and set that up so we can show you how it works. So I've gone ahead and I've added the short code 343434 and the keyword punch123. So if you went ahead and texted punch123 to the short code 343434, this campaign would actually appear on your phone. You can go ahead and do that now. But let me show you what this looks like on a phone. So let's go bring up a phone, an image of a smartphone video right now.